Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a productive vlog. Again, I got stuff to do today. So I really want to start off with my room first. This is how the room is looking, y'all. So I'm going to start off by getting the clothes that are like on my floor and put them into that suitcase. That way I can just put the clothes that are in that suitcase in the washing machine, and then I can finally put my suitcase up. So technically, I'm gonna start off by making my bed first. Oh guys, I'm getting hot in this. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by making my bed first. Like my pillows and stuff are literally like falling down. But yeah, I'm gonna make my bed first, and then I'm gonna start off by cleaning the floor and stuff.
Nothing's wrong at all. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it.
Okay guys, so my room is officially clean now. Everything is off the floor. It's back to the cute princess vibes. So in the suitcase is where I have all my dirty clothes to make it easier, because I also have to put my suitcase back into the garage, y'all. So yeah, so my room is clean now. My bathroom has already been cleaned. This is the bag that I use to like throw some stuff away and stuff like that. Everything up here is already clean, so I'm basically officially done with my cleaning for today.
$1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man.
Okay guys, so now that I'm done and stuff, I need to pick out like an outfit just for me to go out to, wait, what stores was I going to again? Oh, I'm going to one store, then I'm going through the drive-thru. So I'm gonna wear a hoodie and some jeans, but I'm gonna take a shower and change into that, and then when I come home, change into my pajamas so I have like some fresh clothes on. That way when I get home, I can enjoy my Panda Express, watch me some Teen Wolf, and I'm gonna make sure I put, actually never mind, I just realized I drank all my soda last night, so I'm gonna have to wait. Okay, so I got my outfit out that I'm wearing for when I go to the store, and I'm just gonna wear the Crocs that I have on my feet now. Okay, and for my pajamas, we're gonna wear these pajama pants, these emojis, and for my top, I'm about to get ready for the shower. My pajamas actually need to go in my room, because when I get out the shower, I'm changing into my jeans and my jacket. Cause yeah, so yeah, when I get out, I'm gonna start doing my edges and stuff, even though I'm going to like one store, you know, still. But yeah, so I'll tune in. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower and I smell amazing and yeah, I put some clean clothes on. That way when I come back from the store, I can put more clean clothes on. That way I can still feel clean. But I'm literally not going to be touching anything. I'm going to one store and then going to get me something to eat. All I have to do now is help my grandma with something on her phone, and then I'm going to be leaving. Okay guys, so I just got into the car. I'm about to go listen to music and stuff, but I will tune in when I get to the store because I'm literally just going there to get snacks and stuff, so it's not like I have like a list or anything. Okay y'all, so period, I got my food and I'm on my way home, and this weather is not it is actually like raining and stuff right now. You can't really tell, but I can like barely see the road and stuff like that, and it's also like foggy on top of that. But I got me like a small bowl of chow mein, and I'm gonna be trying the honey breast chicken. And then I also got me like a side of medium walnut shrimp. And I didn't get me like a drink or nothing. I'm just gonna like drink a soda. And if I'm hungry later, I'm just gonna make me a smoothie. So I'm almost home, and I have to put these groceries up. And then I'm gonna change into my pajamas and get comfortable. I don't really know. Yeah, I don't know, because I've been really like binge watching like Teen Wolf at the moment, but it's just like been interesting, and I don't really have like anything else to watch. But yeah, I'm almost home, so we'll tune in later. Okay guys, so I'm home and I put my stuff up, my drinks and stuff. And here y'all, look at the food waiting on me. Yum yum. And yeah, like I said, when I get done with that, I'm gonna make me a smoothie because I have not been playing about this weight, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to change into my clean pajamas. Also, I need to get my laundry downstairs and put it into the drying machine. Okay, so I'm about to go downstairs and clean my cup out. Also, I was thinking I should get back into my little era where I buy vanilla ice cream and root beer and make like, y'all, I was obsessed with making them root beer floats. But now that I figured out how to make this like dupe, or I figured that's what the word was, this dupe like vanilla bean frappuccino, I've been making that like 3 times a week. And it's like so easy. All you really need is ice cream. But yeah. Okay guys, so you can literally barely see me, but I've been eating my Panda Express and I've just finished a movie, and that was pretty much it, y'all. I have some editing to do, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and bye.